New filings in a lawsuit stemming from the deadly 2016 Sevier County wildfires. Now, individual plaintiffs are appealing to the Sixth Circuit Court after their portion of the lawsuit was dismissed. They claim a lower court was wrong in ruling that they failed to satisfy a requirement stemming from a certain type of notice. They do so by referencing precedents set by rulings in previous court cases. We've been telling you about the back and forth over the plaintiffs' attorneys not adding failure to warn language before filing the suit. We need to point out what lawyers representing wildfire victims previously claimed, that the government originally told them the forms were sufficient the way they were. A court filing from the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals says arguments will be heard on January 25th. Of course, we'll let you know what happens next.